I'm going to make kind of a potato, or rather tomato potato frittata today. I'm going to use three eggs. And I actually have an egg yolk that's lurking, so I'm just going to put that in. Waste not, well, well. Now I'm going to put a bit of salt and a grind or two of pepper on here. Right, now I have some, have already grated a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is a great, actually, omelette frittata for using stuff up. So I've got some potatoes here which are left over. They've been boiled, they're left over from something else. In fact, frittatas, I love them. They're kind of like, they're a great thing just to use for using stuff up and turning it, repurposing it into something like really fantastic and delicious. So we got some potato. Now, got some little cherry tomatoes. Now I like my potatoes sliced, but you can dice them as well. And I'm going to chop up a bit of parsley. Now you can you can use any herb you like. You can put basil's actually delicious in this. Basil's very good with eggs, but there wasn't any in the store today, so we're going to use parsley. Now, to lighten this up, we're going to I've got an egg white here, and I'm just going to whip it up. What this will do once it gets going, you can see it'll double in size, and it will actually add volume to the omelette, the frittata. Sorry, I shouldn't keep calling it an omelette because it's not. You can just beat this up with a balloon whisk too. I love this little thing, it froths up milk as well. I'm just now going to whisk this up. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of water in there. I'm going to put in the chopped herbs as well. A bit of salt. And the cheese. Now putting a bit of Parmesan cheese into frittata doesn't actually make it cheesy tasting, it makes it extra tasty. Now I'm just going to get the frying pan, and I'm going to put these together and just slice up a little piece of garlic. Let me just put these in here, then we can just switch our view. What we want to do is brown the potatoes first a little bit here. Okay. These look gorgeous. I'm just going to put that egg white that I had. Get rid of this. It's all whipped up now, so I'm just going to put it into here and fold it in. Not beat it in, just fold it in. And now tip it over everything. Now I'm going to leave it in this pan here. I'm going to put, you can actually just put it under the broiler if you want to. Sometimes with something like this I'll put extra cheese on top and then just broil it. Okay, so here we have really gorgeous frittata.